topic we are talking about Nnọchiaha. Nnọchiaha, which is pronoun in English language. Nnọchiaha. How we make use of this Nnọchiaha in a simple sentence. I want to use it to make some simple sentences in Igbo language. We have some Nnọchiaha that we make use of in Igbo language. We have the Nnọchiaha, which is mkpụrụ ụda, mkpụrụ ụda ume. Nnọchiaha that is gotten from the vowel sounds. Our vowel sound in Igbo language is 8, which is a, e, o, u, o. These 8 vowel sound, we also use it in Nnọchiaha, which is pronoun. We make use of them in Nnọchiaha, which is pronoun. For the ones in mkpụrụ ụda ume, I've mentioned it a, e, o, u, o. Mkpụrụ yiri ụda ume, which is semi-vowel, we have only me. Remember, we have semi-vowel me and ni, which is m and n, but in pronoun we make use of the m. The next Nnọchiaha or pronoun that we make use of in Igbo language is mkpụrụ okwu ndị ọzọ bụ. These ones are in word. The first 2 that I mentioned, they are in tone or sounds, which is our normal alphabet. It can serve as an alphabet, it can serve as a pronoun. The next one is mkpụrụ okwu ndị ọzọ, which is gị, you. Gị, you. Ha, them. Anyị, we. Unu, they. Ha is them. Unu, they. Gị, you. Ha, them. Anyị, we. Unu, they. So these are the words and the sounds, but while writing this, you don't write it as a sound. These ones, I'm sorry for the background noise. I'm recording from my shop. I'm sorry for the background noise. While writing this, you don't write it as an alphabet. You write it as a word. Anywhere you see a, which is I, you don't write it as an alphabet. We now call it